welcome to my channel and welcome to another food haul. Today's food haul is mainly made up of drinks and cleaning products, but I'm going to show you what I've got. So I've been to Asda and this is what I've picked up today. So because of Mrs. Hinch, I've picked up this Flash multi-surface concentrate. I'm going to use it when I use my normal mop on the floor. I've got a normal mop and then I've got a squirty mop. I don't have the Violator like Mrs. Hinch, but I had a squirty mop before anyone knew who Mrs. Hinch was. So I got this. They had all the scents on offer. I didn't want the lemon one. I don't know why, but I just picked this one up. But I think there was a blue one as well, and these were on offer for £1. I got 2 orange Lucasades because I'm really unwell at the moment, and Lucasade helps me feel a little bit better. I picked up Asda's version of Pringles. They're not for me, but they were like 85p, and Pringles are £2. I got a pack of freshly baked triple chocolate cookies. I got 2 1.25 litre bottles of Diet Coke. They had some more of the Sephora in for £1.25. They had clean linen or fresh linen, can't remember what they're calling it. A peach blossom one, which I've never heard of, and this, which I got the other day and I like. So I picked another one of these up. I need to try and go to B&M because that's where I got the cinnamon one from, and I'm hoping they still have it. I got a Febreze Earth Frosted Pine. Mrs. Hinch got a Pine Her Freshener the other day, and since then I've not been able to get a pine one. There weren't many of these left on the shelf. I've not even smelt it. I might hate it, but everyone's obsessed with Mrs. Hinch, including me, but it is helping me. And then I got a cup of soup to go, cream and vegetable, and that's all I picked up today. If you have any questions about any of these items, especially the cleaning products, please let me know in the comments section, and I'll be back very soon with another video. Thank you for watching, everyone.